Hi everybody. Today I want to try to show you how I make my cucumber trellises. I prefer to use sticks that we find in our yard or that we trim from like the deadwood from trees or shrubs. But you can also go to your garden center and purchase stakes relatively the same size. Now these are a little bit shorter than the ones I used in my cucumber trellis, but this will just provide demonstration. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get like 6, 8, 10 of these and make X's so that the top little V is smaller, and this is the bottom end is what goes into the ground. You stake them into the ground. Do your little X's, place them about 2 feet apart along your garden as long as you want your trellis to be. And then on top, where this little V is, this is where the top of the trellis will automatically rest. So this piece, the top braid, should be the length you want your trellis to be. It will automatically rest there, but you can take some garden twine and tie all this together to just give it a little extra support, because when your cucumbers start to grow and vine up your trellis, it'll be heavier, and that twine will help provide more support. You don't have to trellis your cucumbers, but I think it's a good idea, because when the plants start to vine and hang, then your cucumbers will grow and hang from your trellis, and that helps them stay healthier. They don't have contact with the ground. There's not as much chance for them to rot. The size of your trellis is up to you, and dependent upon how many plants you plant. I planted 2 cucumbers. Really, I could have used a longer trellis and a taller trellis, but I'm kind of learning as I go. So I hope this helps. This will work for any type of vining plant, and I think it's kind of fun to do.